If you eat kiwi fruit every day, what happens to your body? First, welcome radiant skin. Kiwi fruit is rich in vitamin C, the secret weapon in the fight against aging skin. They are also the superheroes of your immune system, and their antioxidants will protect you from malicious viruses and free radicals. Because kiwis have amazing digestive abilities, thanks to their gentleness, you can finally say goodbye to intestinal blockages. Before I tell you the rest, don't forget to subscribe and get the free guide in my account. Guess what? Kiwis are for you if you have a bad night's sleep. They are rich in serotonin, the happy hormone that makes you sleep well, providing you with a good night for a long time. They can also naturally strengthen your heart function. Kiwi fruit is rich in potassium, is a loyal friend of the heart rate. Kiwis are wonders of nature, so don't forget to incorporate them into your diet. Follow me to learn more about health, and forward this video to your good friends.